I'm replacing the fuel tank pipe filler housing on my 2020 Chevy Silverado. It broke about a year back, and basically right now I'm just using Velcro to hold it closed. So, but you see, it just moves very easy. It won't stay shut. So we're going to replace that with the new one. Replacing it with the new one. To take the cover off the housing so you don't scratch it, and so you can put it back on the new one, you're going to want to push this button on the inside right here, and as you push it, it loosens it up. Now you can just slide it right off like that. When taking out the old housing, you need the flathead screwdriver to push in the 4 holes, slots here, top and bottom, to be able to release the clamps on the back side of the housing. And that loosens up the housing to be able to pull it out of the truck. To take out the old one that's broke, we just take a flathead screwdriver here and just push in there very tightly. Get that pulled out. So you're going to want to take the old housing out. You basically start pulling it out. You got to pull the rubber and then just slide it out of the truck. This was the old housing. See, the spring broke. That allowed the door to open and close properly. So we'll throw that in the trash. I was able to find a new one of these on eBay. I think it was about $21, and then shipping another like $15, $20. I think it was about $42 total. So it's fairly easy to find and buy one. So we're going to take the new one, place it up in the truck here, and slowly work this in here. I'm trying to do this all with one hand here. So I'll get back to it. I got it all fitted in there. Rubber gasket around there snug. And now we're going to put the cover on. So now it opens nicely. So now we're going to put the cover on the front of this. Going to take the cover from the old broken housing and put the new cover on the new housing. And it can be a little tricky, but you basically, it's going to overlap a little bit and then slide in. Kind of place it in here and gonna slide it in, and now it's locked into place by that clip there. So now we're gonna shut it and see if it shuts right. Wow, turned out well. See here, opens just right, and then we shut it back. Nice. Hope this video helps you. Thank you.